Good afternoon, everyone. This is Group 2 of GEC Ethics. So the first problem is the switch by Philippa Foot, 1967. And the scenario is a runaway trolley is heading toward 5 truck workers who will be killed. You are standing next to a lever that can divert the trolley onto a side track, where only one person is working. Do you pull the lever, killing 1 to save 5, or do nothing and let the 5 die? So the first interviewee that we interview is John Raven Dontar, and his answer is no. And the reason is because, of course, kanang usa ka worker has the right to live here maybe if naay laing choices. And the second one is Rina Rose Legaray by BEd 2B, and her answer is yes, because para niya kanang saving 5 lives than 1 life is more sense. Kaya of course 5 lives are more than 1 and it makes sense. And the third one is Yvonne Iris Verano by BSHM 1C, and her answer is no. It is because that one person has the privilege to live unless he or she volunteer. So for the next trolley problem, for the large man footbridge by Judith Jervis Thompson, 1985. Scenario: a runaway trolley is heading toward 5 people. You are on a footbridge over tracks next to a very large stranger. The only way to stop the trolley is to push this stranger off the bridge, killing him but saving the 5. Do you push the man or to save the 5?
Good afternoon, Sir Rodisma. Ang first namang ipangutana sa ikaduhang problema kay si John Raven Dontar. Ang response kay yes. Yang giswadre kay utilitarianism suggests I should do the greatest good for the greatest number.
Yang ikaduha kay si Rina Rose Ligaray, ang iyang gi-respond diri kay no. Ang reason kay pagtuklod ra usa ka tawo is morally wrong kay of course it regards of the outcome.
Katulong pangutana si Yvonne Iris Verano. Iyang response kay yes. I believe it's necessary to save 5 lives even if it means sacrificing a 1 person.
Question is, what is the use of examining a hypothetical situation like the trolley problem? The answer is, for us, the use of examining a hypothetical trolley problem is that it's not intended to provide a right answer, but to serve a philosophical and psychological institution, testing ethical framework on understanding human decision making.
And that's all. Thank you.